In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up contractors in QuickBooks Online. To get started, open QuickBooks Online and sign into your account. Once you're on the main dashboard, take a moment to make sure you're in the correct company file before entering any contractor information. This helps keep your records organized and avoids adding details to the wrong business profile. Next, look over to the left-hand menu and click on Expenses. This section is where QuickBooks keeps track of the people and businesses you pay, so it's the right place to manage contractor records. After you open Expenses, select Contractors. This will take you to the Contractor Management area, where you can view any existing contractors and add new ones as needed. From there, click Add a Contractor. This opens the setup form where you'll enter the contractor's information. Start by typing in the contractor's name and contact information. Be as accurate as possible here, since these details may be used later for payments, tax reporting, and communication. Depending on what information you have available, this can include basic contact fields such as an email address, mailing address, or phone number. If you're following along with real records, be sure to use the correct business information and avoid typos, since even small errors can create confusion later. After that, add any additional contractor details required. The exact fields you see may vary depending on your QuickBooks setup, but the goal is to complete the profile with all necessary information so your contractor record is fully usable going forward. Taking an extra moment here can save time later when you need to track payments or prepare documentation. Once everything looks correct, click Save. QuickBooks will then create the contractor profile and store it in your contractors list. At this point, the contractor has been successfully added, and you can return to this section anytime to review or update their information. As a quick tip, it's a good idea to double-check all entries before saving, especially names and contact details. Keeping clean, accurate records makes contractor management much easier over time and helps maintain better organization inside QuickBooks Online. That's all there is to it. You've now learned how to set up contractors in QuickBooks Online. Thanks for watching.